Listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. Butterflies, the mystic messengers of fate. Fluttering gracefully amidst the vibrant blooms of a summer garden, butterflies have captivated human fascination for centuries. These delicate creatures, with their intricate patterns and ethereal beauty, often evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity. But what if there is more to butterflies than meets the eye? Can they truly possess the power to glimpse into the future? In this exploration, we delve into the mystical realm of butterflies and uncover the enigmatic secrets they may hold. Butterflies, those enchanting creatures that grace our gardens and fields, are often associated with transformation and rebirth. From their humble beginnings as caterpillars, they undergo a remarkable metamorphosis, emerging as resplendent beings of exquisite grace. This process of metamorphosis has long symbolized personal growth and change. Could it be that butterflies, in their transformation, gain insight into the cosmic tapestry of time? Many ancient cultures believed in the mystical abilities of butterflies. Native American tribes, for instance, saw these delicate creatures as messengers from the spirit world, carrying sacred messages from ancestors. They believed that when a butterfly danced into one's path, it signaled a significant event or a message from the divine. Intriguingly, recent scientific studies have shed light on the uncanny behavior of butterflies during certain natural phenomena. Researchers have observed that these winged marvels display unusual patterns of flight and behavior before earthquakes, hurricanes, or other environmental disturbances. It is as if they possess an innate sensitivity to impending events, acting as heralds of nature's wrath. But how can we explain this apparent connection between butterflies and the unseen forces of the universe? Some speculate that butterflies, with their extraordinary vision, are capable of perceiving subtle changes in atmospheric pressure, electromagnetic fields, or even the vibrations of the Earth itself. These sensory abilities, combined with their innate instincts, may enable them to sense impending natural disasters long before humans are aware. While it is easy to dismiss such notions as mere folklore or superstition, it is important to approach the subject with an open mind. After all, humanity has a long history of discounting extraordinary phenomena until science catches up to confirm their existence. Perhaps the time has come to consider the possibility that butterflies hold a deeper connection to the cosmic web of existence. Imagine a world where we could decode the intricate language of butterflies. What if their delicate dances in the air carried encoded messages, hidden clues about the path our lives are destined to take? What if, by observing their flight patterns and studying their behaviors, we could gain glimpses into the tapestry of our own futures? Embracing this line of thinking, some modern-day mystics and spiritual practitioners have turned to butterfly divination. Drawing inspiration from ancient wisdom and blending it with contemporary practices, they seek to tap into the secrets these mesmerizing creatures may hold. Through meditative states and intuitive interpretations, they explore the symbolic messages butterflies bring forth, trusting in their ability to guide us toward our highest destinies. In conclusion, the mystique surrounding butterflies stretches far beyond their delicate wings and vibrant colors. These creatures have long captivated our imaginations and stirred our souls with their ephemeral presence. Whether or not they possess the power to glimpse into the future remains a tantalizing question, beckoning us to explore the mysteries that lie at the intersection of science and spirituality. So, the next time a butterfly gracefully dances past you, take a moment to appreciate the depth of its existence. Reflect on the ancient legends and modern theories that surround these winged messengers of fate. Who knows? In their ephemeral beauty, you might just catch a glimpse of the cosmic secrets that shape our lives. Ready to answer the questions? Compare your answers to ours. Share your answers in the comments. Here we go. Question 1. What is the main physical characteristic that makes butterflies fascinating to humans? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: the main physical characteristic that makes butterflies fascinating to humans is their delicate beauty and intricate patterns. The vibrant colors and graceful flight of butterflies captivate our attention and evoke a sense of wonder. Their aesthetic appeal, combined with their ephemeral presence, makes them highly intriguing and alluring to humans. Question 2. How do butterflies undergo their transformation from caterpillars to adults? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: butterflies undergo a transformation from caterpillars to adults through a process called metamorphosis. The life cycle of a butterfly begins when a female butterfly lays eggs. These eggs hatch into caterpillars, which then feed voraciously on plant matter to fuel their growth. After a period of time, the caterpillar enters the pupa or chrysalis stage. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes a remarkable transformation, during which its body reorganizes and reforms. Finally, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, with fully formed wings and a new body structure. Question 3. Why do some people believe that butterflies hold special meanings or represent new beginnings? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: some people believe that butterflies hold special meanings or represent new beginnings due to cultural and symbolic interpretations. The process of metamorphosis that butterflies undergo, transforming from caterpillars to adults, is often seen as a powerful symbol of personal growth, change, and transformation. Their emergence from a cocoon or chrysalis is associated with rebirth and new life. Additionally, throughout history, butterflies have been regarded as spiritual or mystical creatures, carrying messages from the divine or representing the soul's journey. Question 4. How do scientists study butterflies to gain a better understanding of their behavior and abilities? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: scientists study butterflies through various methods to gain a better understanding of their behavior and abilities. They conduct field observations to document butterfly behavior in their natural habitats, including their flight patterns, feeding preferences, and interactions with other organisms. Scientists also use techniques such as tagging individual butterflies to track their migration patterns and study their population dynamics. Additionally, laboratory studies may involve genetic analysis, physiological experiments, and observation of butterflies in controlled environments. These scientific approaches help researchers uncover the secrets of butterfly behavior, sensory capabilities, and their responses to environmental cues. Question 5. In your opinion, do you think butterflies have the ability to predict the future? Why or why not? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: as an AI language model, I don't possess personal opinions or beliefs. The ability of butterflies to predict the future, as described in the article, is largely speculative and falls into the realm of mysticism and spiritual beliefs. While butterflies have exhibited unusual behavior before certain natural phenomena, such as earthquakes or hurricanes, it is more likely that they are responding to environmental cues or changes rather than predicting the future. Scientifically speaking, there is currently no evidence to support the claim that butterflies can accurately predict future events. Question 6. What impact do you think stories and superstitions about butterflies have on people's perception of these creatures? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer: stories and superstitions about butterflies can have a significant impact on people's perception of these creatures. They contribute to the enchantment and fascination that butterflies evoke in human culture. These stories often associate butterflies with concepts such as transformation, rebirth, and spiritual symbolism, which can add a sense of wonder and mystery to people's perception of butterflies. Superstitions and beliefs about butterflies as messengers or omens can also shape how people interpret their encounters with these creatures. Overall, these stories and superstitions contribute to the rich cultural significance and emotional connection that humans have with butterflies.